How to enable ORBOT VPN for all applications. Are you guys facing issues to enable ORBOT VPN for your apps? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To secure your entire phone with ORBOT VPN, first of all, open the ORBOT VPN app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply tap on the Start button. Once it gets connected, now tap VPN mode or apps VPN mode, which you can see over here. Choose apps, just simply tap on it. Here what to do: turn on use VPN mode, select all the apps when the option appears. Just simply toggle all these boxes. Once you toggle it, tap on save. Then connect or simply go back. ORBOT will start routing traffic. You'll know it's working when a key icon appears in the status bar. The onion stay green. Now all apps will use ORBOT VPN connection, giving you maximum privacy and anonymity. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to connect ORBOT VPN for all your applications. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.